Hi, this video is to show how to use MLA formatting when creating a document. So first you go to your Google Drive and double check that you are in your Harker account and not in your personal account. Once you're in your Google Drive, you select the appropriate folder in which you want to create this document. In my case, I'm going to use my example English folder that I've created. And within that folder, I'm going to choose Handouts Miscellaneous. Once you are in the appropriate folder, then you create a new document. And as soon as the document is created, you are going to title that document using the correct file naming format. So that will be P for the period. I'm going to use period 8 since there is no period 8. Then underscore, which is shift dash. Your username, in your case it'll be 24, your first name and then your last initial. Underscore again, and then the assignment title. So this is an example MLA formatting document, so I'm going to title it MLA formatting example. Okay, and then enter. Okay, the very next thing you do when you're creating a document for English is you need to reshare your document with me. So you go over to the right-hand corner to share, and I know that your folder is already shared with me, your entire English folder is shared with me, so it should say that it's already shared with arabella@staff.harker.org. However, whenever you create a document for English, you need to reshare that document with me so that I receive an email from you saying that you've shared this new document. So I'm going to type in Arabelle, A-R-A-B-E-L-L-E, A, not C, A, at staff.harker.org, and I'm going to share it. Okay, and so now it's shared with me. Then I'm going to create my first MLA header in the top left-hand corner. So that will be your first and last name, enter once, your teacher name, so in this case I'm going to put Mrs. Chow, and then enter once, then the class title and the class period. So for this example, I'll use Advanced Core English. You press colon, space, and then the period you have English, so again that'll be period 8. And then again enter once, and then the date written in MLA formatting, which will be the day, month, and year. So today is the 24th of July. Then you put a space and no comma, and then the year 2017. So at this point, it is a good time to change that formatting. So you can either just highlight everything by clicking on it, or you can click on Command A, and you're going to change the font from Arial to Times New Roman, from 11 to 12, and then right now the line spacing is 1.15. I'm going to scroll down and change that to double. You could also change it by clicking on Format, Line Spacing, and then double. Okay, so that is my first MLA header. Then my second MLA header is in the top right-hand corner. So to do that, you double-click in the top header. The other way to get there would be to go to Insert and then Header, and it would take you to the same exact place. From here, my cursor is on the left, so you want to go over here and align it to the right. So it takes the cursor all the way to the right, and then you type in your last name. Last name, and then space once, and then you go to Insert, Page Number, and you click on the very first box. It's very important that you use this step, because if you type in the number 1, then that would make every page number 1. So if you do it this way, it'll automatically populate the appropriate page. Okay, there we go. So click back into the document, and then you see my cursor is down here. Now I need a title, so I press enter once. My cursor is still aligned to the left. I want it to be centered, so I don't press tab. I go back up to the line and I go to center align. For now, I'll just use working title as my title. So now it's centered. You press enter once. You don't want to press enter more than once because your document is already double spaced. So now the cursor is still in the center. I want it to go back to the left. Then it's on the left. So if for every paragraph, you always want to press tab to start. So I'm going to press tab and then I start my assignment. So for this example, I'll just put once upon a time, and then I would finish my assignment. All right, so that is how to use correct MLA formatting. If you have any questions, please let me know.